Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play a fun fruits riddles. Are you ready for that?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so I will ask you the question and you have to guess the correct fruit. The first one. I am small, round and red. I grow on a tree. It is said. I am juicy and sweet, a delightful treat. Can you guess what fruit I could be?
Apple.
Correct. Very good. So this is an apple. Now next one. I am yellow and long, a sunny delight. Peel me to reveal a tasty sight. Kids love me for my creamy texture. Guess which fruit I could be?
Banana.
Yes, your favorite breakfast companion is a banana. Now the next one. I am a berry, bright and red. On short green stems I am often spread. With tiny seeds on my skin, what fruit am I? Can you begin?
Strawberry.
Yes, yummy winter companion. This is strawberry. Now the next one. I am big and green on the outside. Cut me open and a surprise you will find. I have a sweet and juicy taste. What fruit am I? Can you haste?
Watermelon.
Amazing! Now the next one. I am spiky on the outside, tropical and sweet, with a crown on my head. I am quite a treat. What fruit am I?
Pineapple.
Yes, amazing. You are guessing it all right. Ready for the next one?
I'm brown and fuzzy with a tangy bite.
Inside, I am green and filled with delight. Hailing from New Zealand, I am a special find. What fruit am I?
Kiwi.
Very good. Kiwi is a very nice fruit. It has lots of antioxidants. Now the next one. I am small and blue, a tiny delight. In a bowl, I look like a starry night. I am packed with goodness. I am good to eat. Can you guess which fruit I beat?
Blueberry.
Amazing! Blueberry. Now the next one. I am small, round and juicy. I come in bunches, all purple and blue. Pop me in your mouth one by one. I am A yummy snack. So much fun. Can you guess who am I?
Grape.
Amazing. Now let's see the next one. I am citrusy and full of zest. In your lunch box, I am often the best. I am packed with vitamin C. Can you see what fruit am I?
Orange.
Very good. I am green and smooth with a creamy taste, used in salads or spread on toast. What fruit am I?
Avocado.
Yes, amazing. So kids, you have guessed all the correct answers. Thanks for playing this fun riddles game with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning. Well done everyone.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.